In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete old wallpapers on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, once our iPhone is unlocked, we just need to swipe down to bring up the notification center, and then just long press somewhere here to activate this mode. And that's basically where we can easily find our current wallpaper and all the other wallpapers we've previously used. From here we can easily create new one, and then also we can delete any wallpaper from here that we are not going to use anymore. To do that, all we have to do is just swipe up to show up this trash bin and then just tap on it. Swipe up, hit trash bin and tap and delete this wallpaper. That's how you can easily delete all the wallpapers on any iPhone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.